Hi, Tafton. What you doing? You eating yogurt? What about you, mister? You having yogurt? Yeah? Well, little boys, do you want to see a present from Grandma and Grandpa?
Yeah.
You do? What about you? Adam. Tafton, I mean. Tafton. Do you want a present? Yeah? Are you too hungry to care?
Yeah.
Okay. Mommy's gonna open it for you. It's in this thing. What is it?
A shirt.
Oh, wow, it's a shirt. 2 shirts.
One.
Do you love it?
This and this shirt.
Can you read it? Read those letters. What do the letters say, Adam? What's this?
P. A. I. 5.
It's a S.
S.
What does it say? Do you know? What does the P say? Can you sound it out? Paris.
Paris.
Paris. Do you know what this one says?
Flat.
Read that one.
F.
F.
S.
What's the next one?
P. R. R.
Yeah.
R.
What about this one?
A. A.
Yeah. And then N.
Ooh, what? This is A. This is N.
And then what's the next one after N?
C.
And then what's the one after C?
N. E.
That's right, E. What sound does the F make? That's right. France.
France.
Paris, France. All right, TD, do you want to turn? All righty. Can you read it? What does it say?
P.
What does it? Read all the letters.
S.
Okay, but start from here. Start from here and then read all of the letters. P. And then what's that letter?
A.
What sound does the A make? Okay. And then what's the next one?
R.
What sound does the R make?
O.
What is it?
R.
What sound does it make? That's right. You boys are both good.
How about I?
And what's the next one?
I.
What does the I sound like? And what about S? All right. Can you read it? What does it say? Paris. That's right. That's right.
A-R-I-S.
Grandma and Grandpa are in Paris. That's correct. What do you say to Grandma and Grandpa for the shirts?
Thank you.
Very good. You want to say it again?
Thank you. Thank you.
Do you miss Grandma and Grandpa? No, not so much? Say, I love you, Grandma and Grandpa.
I love Grandma, Grandpa.
How about you, Adam?
I love you, Grandpa, Papa.
Alrighty.